don't reckon you're from round here.
Not from around here.
Well, stuck outside on a night of the hunt. Oh, you poor, poor thing. I don't reckon you're from... Well,
Free experience. Quiet. Bloody dogs will give me a headache. I tried to warn you! You're like, he's right behind you! No, fighting me.
So what is it now? I'm not in this. Go on.
I haven't found anywhere you can sleep. I'm sorry. What the fuck is that? No! That fucking thing is probably gonna one-hit me. Yeah, take that. They're shooting at me. This is rude. Nope. I'm taking on two gunners. Not having them. That's fucking two. Oh, Jesus Christ, no. Nope. Nope. Don't want any. I'm good. You can leave. Goodbye. Goodbye. Stop chasing me. I don't want any cookies. I'm good. I'm real good. Stay back. I don't want none. You don't want none. Oh, you guys scared me. You evil bastard. You're killing caged dogs. How could you do something so heinous? Nope, 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 nope. Don't want any. I'm good. What is this? What is this? Oh, come on now. Said I don't want any. Please don't make me have to get some. Like 1400 for another upgrade. I'm gonna put the strength. Hey buddy. Not much, just streaming some Bloodborne. Just wondering if you wanted to join. I have no idea. I don't even know how you joined, dude. Like, I rang the bell earlier and there was this guy that was mostly blue who seemed kind of ghostly, but he was killing things and I was getting stuff. And he, like, had a mind of his own and everything, so I don't know. Oh, if he hears this, he's gonna be so pissed. Gary, I do not condone what he is doing right now. I do apologize for what you're hearing. But yeah, if you don't want your voice to be streamed all over the internet, there is an option in the party you can click to stop that. So it just sounds like I'm talking to myself. But if you don't care, then leave it be. Now, do you know how to join the world?
No. I wish. I'll figure it out, I guess. I'm trying to get my brother over here. I'd like to finish that raid for you.
Yeah, I got some people ready for it, but the one specifically won't be available till 11. However, it's someone who wasn't in last night's raid, so he's easily able to join. Ow, that hurt. I do have to do a normal raid, so with my Titan, so he could easily join that one, and we could just finish out the one we were doing. Or he could join the one we were doing. Either one. And my hunter is like level 27 now.